A mangrove is a shrub or tree that grows mainly in coastal saline or brackish water. Mangroves grow in an equatorial climate, typically along coastlines and tidal rivers. They have special adaptations to take in extra oxygen and to remove salt, which allow to tolerate conditions that would kill most plants. Mangroves provide natural infrastructure to help protect nearby populated areas by reducing erosion and absorbing storm surge impacts during extreme weather events such as hurricanes. They are also important to the ecosystems. Their dense roots help bind and build soils. A world without mangroves would likely mean a world with fewer fishes, more coastal damage and unknown ecosystems, and public health consequences related to changes in pollutant, sediment, and carbon cycles. Without mangroves, we would all be diminished and many people would suffer. It's a dismal scenario that includes coasts with barren, unproductive shores, collapsed fisheries, turbid populated water, little protection for communities from severe weather events, and sea level rise and loss of many types of animals and plants. Even if you do not live near the coast, you can help prevent and protect the further degradation of these natural resources. These are 5 ways to do so we can help protect the mangrove ecosystem. So first, recognize its importance. Acknowledging the services that the mangroves provide will help us value the resources. Once the value of mangroves is established, the utilization of these resources will be strictly looked after. Support the establishment of a mangrove protection area. This is not only for the mangroves themselves, but for the fishes that will provide more fish to the local fishermen. Third, help spread the word about the importance of mangroves. Read more about mangroves and share the knowledge with others. Much more if we can get into the government officials that make the decisions for its utilization. Fourth, patronize resorts that show value to the mangrove ecosystem. Resort owners and managers are great influencers to the tourist community. If they can educate the tourists visiting the resorts about mangroves and help the tourists understand why certain portions are not disturbed. And last, volunteer to mangrove planting activities, if there are any. This would be rare, but if you heard of one, it will be the best to get engaged and help nurture back to the resources. As a biology student, we encourage you to be one of us, the Mangroveviologists. Let us make a change, protect our mangrove forests for the sake of our own future. For we, Mangroveviologists, truly believe in the saying,
invest in nature and nature will invest in you.